Hello, you're here because you need to learn how to use a for loop in Java. For a for loop, there's three parts of it. There's the initializing variable, which the for loop uses to check if it's able to run, the statement that it uses to check if it can run, and the iteration that happens at the end of a for loop. So in this instance, we have it to print out hello and the variable x every time the for loop runs. So the for loop initializes x as 1, and then it has to check, is x below 50? X is below 50 because it started as 1, so it prints this out. It then goes back around, does an x++, which then changes x to 2. Let's see this run in action. I need to close the terminal. Void main, here you go. So as you can see, it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, all the way up to 49. Because it hit 49, it added up to 50. And now because x is 50, x is no longer less than 50. So it stopped and did not print x. It did not print hello 50. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.